So this is December 1st. Right now it's 3:53 p.m. and you can see it's already getting dark compared to the summertime or the other season here in Bangladesh. But I came here yesterday, not yesterday, last week. But it was really, the sun was too hot and I wasn't able to look at the sun and the heat was unbearable. But today, compared to last week, it's really less. The heat, and I'll have to wear heavy stuff, the hoodie or anything after it gets dark and it will be cold. Like the temperature will drop uh, in 22 or 21 Celsius. I know it's nothing compared to the European countries, but it's a lot here. But compared to the city, in those areas, the village areas gets more cold. So let me know how did you start this month and what do you feel about it in the comment section.